Hello everyone, how are you today? Well, my name is Lady Queen Ikwuazom. I'm the CEO of QEI Health. QEI Health is having a World Summit coming up in October 24th to the 26th. This World Summit is to educate all of us, and you, especially my viewers, to know what's happening about health. There are so many confusions out there, and in this toxic world that we're living in right now, you need the right information for yourself and for your family. You know, as God has made it possible, He gave us everything that we needed for health. So we're here to give you the information that you need, the supplements that you need. So our company is inviting you. Please register and join us in Abuja this October for the World Health Summit that QEI is holding. We love you and hope that you attend. Remain blessed.